Hello and welcome to Verde Mare, which means green sea. But in fact, it was named after the swimming pool, which we're going to see later. I don't want to give too much away. Today, we're really going to be delving into this incredible property. And there's a couple of surprises in there and reasons that make this property so incredible. So what I want you to do is I want you to stay with me, follow me through, and let's get started. So as we enter the property, I'm sure some of you have already noticed, this isn't your typical white box. This really is luxury. It's been designed by one of the best architects in the whole of Spain, Liz Maldorejo, who's managed to get stone, wood, glass, lush gardens, 2 entrances, 3 car parking spaces set over 3 floors and over 500 square meters of interior. So forgive me for going into too much detail, but I don't even think we have enough time to go into all the details and all the intricacies of this home. But as we walk through this incredible, thick, wooden and metal door, which is a real attention to detail that we don't see anymore, we can even look in our first space here. Now, this whole house has had an interior design by Ambience Homes, one of the best known here on the coast and actually in Spain. So whether this is a permanent residence or maybe it's a holiday home, a house like this deserves an incredible kitchen. And I think you'll agree, this is something special. We've got mueble, white goods. And for those of you in the know, this is one of the best you can have on earth. You have massive fridges, loads of storage room. In fact, more storage room than I've ever seen in most kitchens. You have this impressive, I would call it a bar area and an island, because realistically, you could use it as a bar area. But also it's the way the property flows. Now we are going to go through how this property flows, but it's all the natural light that you have. But imagine we're having a dinner party. I think you'll agree this is a pretty spectacular table and an amazing area to dine. However, what you haven't seen is this incredible skylight. I've never seen a property more bathed in natural light. So the name Verde Mare is actually a color, and it's the color of the tiles in the swimming pool which give it a kind of a green tinge, hence the word verde, which is Spanish for green. Another feature I really love about this property is in between these 2 real olive trees. I don't suggest you eat them, but these 2 real olive trees, you can have a nice little seating space. I really love this fireplace. In fact, I love all double-sided fireplaces, but you can see it's flush here, it's modern. You have a huge TV, of course, for a very large area. So welcome to the master suite. In fact, it's not a master suite, it's a master floor. The entire floor is just one suite. And I personally feel like that's the best way. It's your own space. And of course you have these huge windows that open up and make you feel like you're living indoors and outdoors. Your own wraparound terrace, sea views. You have this incredible walk-in closet. Whoop. Another terrace as well, as if we don't have enough. And I hope you've enjoyed this luxury, incredible chic property. And as I always say, keep the dream alive, because one day you're going to be here with us in sunny Marbella, and I look forward to meeting you.